Welcome to QPro software. This video will teach you how to initially sign in and how to start performing the setup so that you can use your QPro software. In the email, you should have gotten the name of your domain, which up here it would be https://yourname.qprolive.com. Make sure that your name is actually up there at the top in the address bar. The name that you gave us will be the username and password for the first time that you sign in. So go ahead and put that in. Hit the sign in button. It will take some time for it here to activate because it's loading everything for the first time, and there is an initial pause on the initial load up. Once you're signed in, it will bring you to the sales screen up here. This is the first screen that you log into. Immediately you're going to go to the employees screen over here so that you can change the username and password that we gave you initially while loading up. So you'll come over here and your initial user, the one that we gave you, will be right here. You just click on it. You're going to hit the access button now that it's showing on the right hand side of the screen. And right here is where you'll change the username and the password. The other thing that you'll do is make sure that you're in the admin group down here. You can add or delete administrative groups down here at the bottom. Just make sure that that's there, and then as long as you have your admin active group there, you'll just hit save, and that will take you out of this screen. Now you're back to your employee sub screen. That's all we're going to do for right now. Once you can get in and out of your software with your new username and password, the very first thing that you should concentrate on is getting your B2B account set up with your vendors. Okay. You will do that by going to the qfloors.com website. There's a partners button there, and there's a B2B selection right here. Go on to that page. There's some instructions here, but you'll notice on this page that there is a list of all of the vendors and suppliers that are capable of doing B2B interactions with QPro. You'll see all these certifications for all these different documents. The one that QPro can do right now is the price list import. When you find a vendor that you want to do B2B interactions with, you simply click on their name. And when you do that, it will have the information about who you need to contact, request account setup, Aaron.curl. You'll contact that person. Then you will give them your account name for your company. And then you will ask them to set you up a brand new B2B account. And then they will send the setup information back to us at QPro. Once you've done that for however many vendors you want to do that with, now we're going to come back to the other setup items that you need to pay attention to. This is the B2B button, just so that you know when we start to do B2B transactions, that's what you'll be looking at. But also it's this setup menu right here that we're going to focus on. If you come here, you see that there's a bunch of different entries here, and each of these we're going to spend time in. There's a video that corresponds to each of these that gives you the detail, but you're going to just start at the very top and just keep going right on down this list till you get down to the bottom product catalog here. Now, product catalog has to do with B2B, but there might be some other manual entries and stuff that you put in there. These are the things you're going to focus on. Kit catalog, product catalog will be the last ones. Once you have all these setups done and completed, then the very last thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to the material screen, and this is going to be where you're going to put in your inventory here on this screen, and there will be a video that describes how you do that also. So this is the process that you're going to go through to get your QPro set up in order to start using it in real life.